Hello friends, welcome you all on your PD education. So friends, as all of you know that at 7 p.m. we will bring a notification for all of you in which BTech students, diploma students, PhD students, fresher and all basically I will try to bring the notification in which all can apply, or we can say all category of notifications. Okay, and today's notification is basically related to Indian Air Force. So before discussing in detail about the notification, if you have not subscribed your PD education, then please must subscribe your PD education channel for regular updates regarding technical vacancies and technical admissions also, and on topics in some general videos also, and technical subject videos also. Okay, so here you can see this notification is related to FCAT, we can say, and will open on 1st June 2020 and close on 30th June. And we can say here you can see the branches in which basically flying branches, they are ground duty, technical, ground duty, non-technical, flying, NCC special entry, meteorology entry. So these are the vacancies. These are the vacancies according to the category. Okay. Types of missions. So PC for men. Candidate joining as PC. Officer would continue to serve till the age of superannuation as per their branch and rank. Okay. And then SSC for men and women. Okay. So you can see what is the meaning of these posts. If you are preparing, then you must know that PC means permanent commission. Okay. Now age limit is here for flying branch 20 to 24, and for ground duty technical and non-technical it is 20 to 26. And we can say physical and medical and education qualifications are, we can say, you can see find on detailed notification given on this website. So I'm just discussing in brief here. Okay, so if I talk about the training, so here you can see training will commence in the first week of July for all the courses at Air Force Academy, okay, Hyderabad. And this duration of training for flying and ground duty technical branch is 74 weeks, and for other we can say it is 52 weeks. Now pay commission is basically 56,100 to 1 lakh 77,500. Okay, level 10 pay, we can say. And these are the allowances, like here you can see it include technical field area basically. These are the allowances given and privileges, so you can go through this. And insurance of rupees 1 crore also, and additional 12 lakh on the application to flying branch. And important instructions, these are the like tattoos are not we can say allowed on your body. So these are basically given some informations. Okay, and this is the application fees, 250 for filling the form. And candidate below 25 year of age must be unmarried at the time of commencement of the course. Okay, so this is the requirement for this. And traveling allowance for to and fro traveling fare by the shortest route, AC 3 tire, AC chair car, or cute normal bus fare will be reimbursed. Okay, so this is very good. And then physical conditions are written here. And if you want any query, then you can basically just check there. Okay, so if you want a detailed notification, okay, detailed notification, so you must have graduation for applying to this. And you can also go to this website, like for detailed notification you can go to this website, and yeah, you can check. Okay, I will provide you the link of website also there. Okay, so here you can see. Okay, so in career section I think you can just go and then check. Okay, like for graduation flying branch, so these are the eligibility criteria we can see. Okay, so here you can see it is in detailed mention, so I will provide the links. Okay, so you will just go through this. If you are eligible, then please just apply for this. This is very good opportunity, and you can also share with your friends who has basically some dream of going into Indian Air Force. Thank you very much, friends.